Good afternoon, Sue.
Hello.
I'm Carlo. I have two questions. First one is, what do you think is the role of the youth in nation building?
That is the most important question that anybody could ask. Without youth, nations will not exist. So youth really need to be engaged at all levels, right from school, in every aspect of nation building. It's paramount. You are the future.
Thank you for that wonderful answer. I have another one. What advice would you like to give to any member of the youth who pursues in changing the world?
The first thing is believe in yourself. That is incredibly important. If you don't believe in yourself, nobody will believe in you. The second one is be prepared to take some risks. Not risks that are going to upset you or upset your families, but think ahead. Think about what you feel is right for your nation and take those risks to make it happen. I've made lots of mistakes in my life, but yet I've managed to get to where I am today in a very important business, helping young people to move forward. That's what I would say. Believe in yourself.
Thank you.